Want to eat healthier, clean food, but just don't think you have what it takes to grow a successful garden? Well, you're in the right place. John from Backyard Food Garden here, and it's my goal to help you grow your own food. At just 9 years old, I started my first garden with a few packets of seeds and no idea what I was doing. 50 years later, I'm still growing, and now I'm sharing everything I've learned. So regardless of where you're starting, you can grow it. And that's our motto here. On this channel, you'll see tutorials like how to make your own seed starting mix, or DIY videos like how we made cages to protect our strawberries from the birds. You'll see recipe videos, and we'll show you step by step how we cook the food we grow. You'll learn how to make things like refrigerator dill pickles, pasta sauce, and the best pierogies you will ever eat. And don't be surprised if we make you laugh along the way. So if you want to discover the joy of growing and eating delicious, nutrient-dense food without any pesticides or herbicides, subscribe to my channel, Backyard Food Garden. And you're gonna be a lot happier because you're gonna feel good about what you're eating, what your family's eating, and you're gonna be surprised at just how easy it is to grow your own food.